First remove the mat, put it aside. You will see two holes, 1 and 2. You probably don't see it there, but it's big. It's two big holes there. You can put one finger, another finger here. You can slowly rotate this and also pull it up and down. Sometimes difficult, but until you find the release point, like that, and it's out. Very simple. Use put it again back in. Oops. And when you rotate like this, up and down until you find the point of release, and it will go up. Out. Thanks.